Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to do an experiment on properties of solutions, suspensions and colloids. For this experiment we need 3 glasses of water and some salt, and with it we need some wheat and ink. Now we need to take some salt and mix it with water. And we should make sure that we stir it well. And take some wheat and mix it well with the bikabi. And then we need some few drops of ink, and we should mix it with water on beaker C. Now let's check whether these are heterogeneous mixtures or homogeneous mixture. The salt solution, in which the salt is the solute, is uniformly spread throughout the solution. And in next we have wheat. Wheat is not spread throughout the solution, as we can see some water and wheat mixed. And for ink, it is also a heterogeneous mixture. And now we can say that the salt solution is a homogeneous mixture, and the water with wheat is heterogeneous, and ink with wheat is also heterogeneous. Now let's see about other properties. First, we can see that whether the particles of these solutions are seen with naked eye. And for salt, the particles are clearly not visible. The solvent is only visible. And now for wheat, you can clearly see the particles and the water. And then for ink, you cannot see the particles. You can see it as only solvent. And now let's take another property. First, take the salt solution and keep it with light. You can clearly see that it does not disperse light. And next we can take the wheat solution. It is dispersing light within itself. Thus it is a suspension. It's another property of itself. And then we can take ink. In ink, even though we were not able to see ink through the particles of ink through our naked eye, we can clearly see that it disperses light, where we can say that the particles are big enough to disperse the light. Now let's keep this undisturbed for about 10 minutes. And now for solution in BKA, the salt did not settle down. And for wheat, you can clearly see that the wheat has settled down. And in ink, it did not settle down. With this, we can say the fourth property, that the particles of solution and colloids does not settle down when left undisturbed, so that they are stable, whereas the particle of suspension is unstable. Now let's summarize all the properties. First, let's summarize the properties of solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles of solution are not visible to naked eye. The particles of solution does not disperse light. And finally, the particles of solutions are stable. And now let's see the properties of suspension. Suspension are heterogeneous mixtures. They are visible through naked eye. The particles of suspension disperse light. The particles of suspension are unstable. And finally, let's summarize the particles of colloid. Colloids are heterogeneous mixtures. Colloid particles are not visible to naked eye. Their particles disperse light, and their particles are unstable. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.